Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. I'm your host, Untitled Chapter. Welcome to Inside Spyder. Roll the intro. Welcome guys to the segment. We're not going to do any hammer test here or maso test or crash test. We are not here to do a brand comparison and ignite brand wars. We are simply here to discuss everything about Spyder. As the segment title says, Inside Spyder. I'm your insider from Spyder. Insider from Spyder. I like it. Now, yung mga upcoming helmets natin, mga moto products, cycling products, and even yung eyewear natin, i-discuss natin sa segment na to. Yung mga prototypes, mga never before seen, wala pa sa dealer. First, dito nyo makikita agad yan sa Inside Spyder. I will be your insider, so inside job gagawin natin dito. I have level 3 clearance access sa Spyder products, which I will share with you guys. So what is this segment about? Yung mga basic informations na kailangan natin masagot, mga katanungan natin, at wala tayong time pumunta sa mga dealers, magtanong, dito pa lang malalaman nyo na agad. Information overload ang gagawin natin sa segment na to. Even yung mga simple things like changing lenses, which lenses are compatible to which shells, kung kay Recon ba, pwede yung lens niya kay Spike, or etc. etc. Lahat yan itatakal natin sa segment na to. Taking care of your helmets, paano alagaan, paano mapanatili, at paano mapatagal yung mga Spyder products natin, i-discuss din natin sa channel na to. And also, helmet sizing guide. Yung proper helmet sizing, i-discuss natin kung anong size ka sa shell na to. Iba't ibang shells, iba't ibang sizing chart. Lahat yan i-discuss natin sa channel na to. Now, Spyder labels, G, GD, PD, what the hell? Lahat yan i-explain natin sa segment na to. Now, lahat ng nakikita nyo sa screen ay ipaparaffle natin. Abangan nyo yung post sa Facebook ni Spyder Philippines. And yung mechanics, dun yung malalaman kung paano yung mapapanalunan yung mga nasa screen na to. Maliban sa MacBook ko at yung manika sa likod na naka-racing suit, Spyder, baka naman. Lahat na nakikita nyo sa screen ay ipaparaffle natin sa Facebook. Abangan nyo yung post and mechanics sa Facebook, sa official Facebook ng Spyder Philippines. Now, itong Spike 2 na raw power and also itong Alpha mountain bike helmet and yung Cadence eyewear, magkasama yan, mapapanalunan. Also, yung Nox Pro gloves, mapapanalunan nyo rin to. So, 1, 2, 3. Now, 3 items yung ipaparaffle natin sa Facebook. Abangan nyo yan guys, yung post na yan. Plus, I will be sitting down with your favorite ambassadors ng Spyder Philippines. Nandyan sila Breezy, sila Reed, si Downshift Vinci, si Casey, si Takbong Pogi, si Diary ni Pops, si Moto Visuals, sino ba? Si iClick Moto. Dami kong pwedeng makalimutan si iClick Moto pa talaga. Ako yung host. Ako yung guest. Paano gagawin ko dun? Jarby. So si Jarby ang i-feature natin sa segment na to siguro in the future. Q&A with Jarby. I don't know. Now, yung mga up and coming sa mga ambassadors natin, dito yung malalaman sa Inside Spyders. For example, yung mga helmet releases nila. Yan, yung kay Breezy. Magre-release ng helmet. Oh well, nag-teaser na si Breezy. So, I'm safe. Napakagandang helmet mga lapok. Napakagandang helmet guys. Abangan nyo at isa sa pinakamagandang helmet na nakita ko. I-release ni Breezy yan hopefully dito sa Inside Spyder. Now, not only motor products, also mga cycling products at yung eyewear line natin kung saan nagsimula si Spyder. So again, iisa-isayin natin lahat yan. Anything and everything about Spyder products. Yung mga how-tos, yung mga features, yung mga new releases, dito nyo agad makikita yan sa Inside Spyder. Let us also make this channel interactive. Please comment down below kung ano yung mga gusto nyo mapanood sa segment na to. And I will look into it because I was appointed to create this segment for you guys. As you can see, we're not monetizing this channel for your full enjoyment. Well, not yet. This segment is created for you guys. Sa mga napakaraming katanungan nyo, sana masagot lahat ng segment na to. Yung mga walang time para pumunta sa dealers or sa Spyder stores para tignan kung anong itsura in person, nung Rogue, nung mga bagong releases, dito nyo lahat yan makikita. So I will create a segment also na para mag virtual shopping lang tayo or virtual display. Virtual display. So papakita ko lang sa inyo, ikot-ikotin ko yung products para ma-appreciate nyo. So again, everything in this screen is for raffle. So the Cadence eyewear, so the Alpha series helmet, lahat yan ibibigay natin sa raffle. Also itong bagong raw power from Spike 2 raw power na in matte blah black chip. In matte black blue combination with smoke visor. Pamimigay natin yung lahat sa isang lucky winner. This combination is for one lucky winner, and also yung Nox Pro gloves natin for one lucky winner. Thank you for watching guys. This is iClick Moto, your insider from Spyder. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Depending on what time you're watching this. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. I'm your host, I Click Moro, and you're with. As you can see, we're not monetizing this channel for your.